welcome to Bushido Diaries #1. I made a few other little videos just messing around with my camera because I decided I wanted to do a little bit of video work. Nothing's really happened with any of the drift cars, so we decided to cut up my Jeep. And I used that opportunity to film this first episode and see what happens.
You want to eye these up and kind of finalize it? Does it look like it's spaced below the fog, like about the same? It looks like it's almost like an inch and a quarter.
I can't tell, I'm seeing one side at a time.
I think I need to back the Jeep up in air. It's like your music keeps trying to connect to it. I think we're good, man. That's gonna look pretty good. might have to reverse it for now.
So weird.
What's that?
That noise. It's like I feel it on my butt too. It's like every time it does it, it's like a little tap on my butthole.
Maybe it is your butthole.
It's not.
Your butthole clicking.
It's like popping.
Sheesh.
Trying to remember what the rocks look like up in front of me right now.
I think you're good.
Oh, there went my sunglasses. Ooh.
Yeah, this one, okay. Yeah. Should be good. Here you go. What the fuck was that?
My,
Oh.
Oh, your traction control.
the first beep
camera.
was my camera.
I guess.
Just keep her going.
That was smoother that time.
Right. Think you remember it?
Oh, look at that.
All right. That wasn't too bad.